Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. As you guys can see on the title of today's video, I'll be showing you guys an unboxing of the Glossybox. This is the September unboxing beauty box that I have received. And just to give you guys a little bit of information before we go into the video, Glossybox basically do beauty boxes each and every single month, and depending on like what festival or what theme it is, you get a different type of beauty box with like different products that like normally, like if you're to buy them like for the full price, they'd probably cost you like 100 and something pounds, or even 45 or 60 pounds. So what they basically do is get 5 products, and they are like luxury products mixed with maybe drugstore products, just depends. And they retail these to like about 11 something pounds if you are subscribed to their monthly plan. So you can get a plan for 1 month just to see how it is, or you can go up to 3 or 6 or 12 months, and you just subscribe to them and you get these products. So you just pay one payment every month, so it's normally like £11 something, like I've said, and basically get these 5 products. So some of the products that they send are the full size, or some of them are like little mini like products that you can basically get from them. And yeah, it's just a good way if you are a like skin junkie or beauty junkie like myself to get all the products that you need, try them out for like less amount, and basically you try different products. So each month it's like something new that you open up and basically experience. And I personally love this because I do like trying out different products, knowing what's out there, and this is a good way to do so. So definitely guys, check them out. And this is not a sponsored video. Check them out if you are an enthusiast of like beauty and like to try products all the time, because I found that when I used to buy products like separately, like with the drugstore and all of that, it just costs you so much money. And I just thought, why not just subscribe to Glossybox, and you can get different products each and every month, try them out, and still get to live up to, you know, your passion and all of that. So really love that. So let's get right into the video. If you guys like the video, then continue to watch it, and please subscribe if you haven't. So the first products that we have here is the MineTan coffee scrub, and it's an exfoliating coffee scrub that I really can't wait to try out, because I love exfoliating my body, getting rid of the dead skin, and it is really good. It claims that it makes your skin really softer and smoother, so I can't wait to try that out. It normally retails for £12.95, so that is how much it retails at, and this is the size that you get, which I feel like is such a generous amount for someone to use. I'll definitely be trying that, and I might use it maybe in my shower routine that I might film for you guys, so make sure you check it out and see. I do like using coffee on my body because it just leaves my skin feeling so lush and so smooth, so can't wait to try that. The next product that is within the box is this Hyaluronic Acid Anti-Oxidizing Duo Moisturiser, and this is from the skincare Avant Skincare Supreme, and this normally retails at £17. And yeah, again, it's a good bargain. And if you are a fan of hyaluronic acid, you'll definitely love this. I can't wait to try it on and see how my skin reacts to it. And because it's got hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, vitamin C, these are the like type of kind of ingredients that I normally like am drawn to for my skincare and all of that. So can't wait to try it. And you get a generous amount, 50 ml little bottle to try out. The next product that I'll be showing you guys is this Foamburst, and this is a shower body wash, and it is super cool. From what I've heard, it's an Imperial leather foaming wash, so I can't wait to try that. A lot of people that I know that have used this have definitely raved about it and say that it really makes your shower smell nice and fresh, and it's just easier to use in the morning because you just literally spray it on your mitts or your towel or whatever the case is, and it's a less like tedious in terms of pouring products and washing it all over your body. So yeah, I've definitely heard positive things about this. I'm just going to find the price for you guys so I can tell you how much it normally costs. Hey guys, so the 75 mils normally retails at the price of £3. If you want to get a 200 mil, that is normally cost around £2. So you can get this from Superdrug, you can get it from Sainsbury's, I've seen it in Sainsbury's, and you can get it from Boots as well. So really good bargain again. The next product is this cream here, and it's a moisturizing cream. It is called Intensive Skin Therapy with Alpha Hydroxy Therapy. So it is dermatologist approved, and it's meant to basically help with moisturizing your skin, and also it's meant to be good for applying to troublesome areas on the face. I've never heard of this particular company, and I'm not going to attempt to say it for you guys because it's just a mouthful, but this is the moisturizer that they sent me, and I can't wait to try it again. So this normally retails at £15, which is like really expensive, so you definitely save a bargain when you purchase this box, because yeah, it is definitely a lot of money. So it's £15, and this is like a travel size, so really cute, compact if you're traveling and you just need, you know, a moisturizer on deck. You've definitely sorted by purchasing this little travel size cream from them. And then last but not least, they sent me a Wishful, and I've been really wanting to try this. This is Hudabeauty's Wishful enzyme scrub, which I have been waiting and wanting to buy, but goodness me, it cost an arm and a leg. It normally retails at the price of £18, which yeah, again, it is quite a lot. I mean, to be honest, it's not too bad, but if you definitely wanted to just try it out and see how it reacts to your skin, then yeah, you might want to opt out for this size here, which is again a travel size, and this contains pineapple enzymes, papaya enzymes, AHAs and BHAs, which are so essential for exfoliating the skin. So I really can't wait to try that out, because I do like exfoliating my skin. I just believe that it just makes your skin feel and look like fantastic when you exfoliate, because you just have much more smoother, softer skin, youthful skin. So I can't wait to use it, and a lot of people have rated it 4.3, so definitely with the ratings, I can't wait to try it out. And then I think the last but not least product that they got me in the box was a Lindor chocolate, which I've already eaten now. So that's what they included as a little nice treat, I guess, to indulge in. So I definitely indulged in that. So yeah, that was all the products that they sent, and I really can't wait to try each product and basically see how I get on. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do wish to purchase your own Glossybox, then definitely head over to their website, which I'll put here for you guys to go to, and maybe you can buy some of the boxes that I've purchased or some of the products as well, because they do have their own products that they've come out with. So definitely check those out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye.